Good evening and welcome to this week's edition of Davy Boy's Tutorials. I'm joined here this week with Mr. Damo Bailie, who's going to demonstrate to us how to refill the gas in your vehicle's air conditioning unit. Now, before we get started, I just have to go through a bit of the legal jargon first. I'm obliged to basically disclaim anything that's done in this video, so I can't predict stupidity, so you know yourself. I don't endorse this product or the way it's done. I'm just basically here because I'm here. So now I'm going to pass you over to Damien, who's going to tell us a little bit about the product and before he begins his demonstration. Okay, here we go. Now Damien, tell us, how did you come to be in possession of this unit?
I went to Amazon because they were the cheapest. If I wanted to do it myself, it was cost. If I wanted to buy this housing and this bottle of gas, it cost me nearly €100 in Halfords or any motor factors. So I shopped online and found Amazon, and I got the whole thing for 62 quid. So I'm going to go to the car now and show you how it's done.
Looks like a nice solid piece of equipment.
Yeah.
Oh, it does, yes.
Has the gauge and all there to tell you everything that you need to know. Don't
Okay,
overfill or
zoom in
underfill.
there, yeah. Oh, very nice, very nice.
It says you can get 2 cars done with this bottle, so hopefully I get 2 cars out of it.
Time will tell, yeah.
Alright, so if you want to pause it there.
Okay, here we go. Now, here we go. First things first, lift the bonnet, obviously.
Here's the connection here.
Okay, I understand there's two connections.
Yeah, there's a low valve and a high valve. It has to be connected to the low. The low is always a larger pipe.
So you can't really go wrong on it.
No. Idiot proof.
Well, we'll see about that in a minute.
Jesus, get this out. Now, that's just the cap for it. Alright.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Snug fit.
Now I have to start the engine.
Okay.
Let's leave that there for a second.
Again, I'd like to remind the viewers at home that won't be held responsible if your car explodes or grows a fifth wheel.
Can you just hold that while I start the engine?
Okay, no problem.
Right.
There we go. I could regret doing this, but
set and on its highest what's the gauge reading? Oh, 0. It needs gas to be put into it. Alright?
okay.
So I'm gonna start putting the gas in now.
You don't have to leave it for 3 minutes.
Oh, that's right, yeah. I'll leave for a few minutes.
Okay.
Till it's ready.
Now we're going to have a look inside and see exactly what's going on in here. As you can hear, the air conditioning is on full whack. Damo's getting in. Now,
Must be on that's the air conditioning. You have to have it on its coldest, all the way down, and the full fan speed up to the maximum.
okay.
And you can feel the air there, it's not that cold. Not that cold at
Hang
all.
on. I can confirm it's not that cold.
Oh, lukewarm.
Just in case you didn't trust Damo's word, you know. No reason why.
Alright.
Okay. Back around here.
start putting into the system, do we?
Okay.
We're going to start putting into the system now. It says when you're putting into the system, move from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock motion. Make sure the coolant goes in from the can.
There we go.
Starting to go in already, see?
Yeah.
Look at that.
It might go down.
So yeah, just watch the gauge, make sure. There you go, another bit.
See, it's gone down a little bit. It seems to be fluctuating.
Yeah.
We just wait till it stabilizes. Yeah,
Give it a little shake as well. We'll give it another go. This is how easy it is. You go to a professional to do this, they charge you over €100. I'm just a Joe Soap doing a professional job here. So,
and it seems to be a success by the looks of it. I'd just be concerned about the accuracy of the gauge, maybe.
yeah. Seems to be nearly halfway. I'll just go another few.
Bit of wrist action from Damo here. More wrist action. Well used to that.
I'm going to try and get her. I don't want to go into the yellow. I want to keep her in the green, but I want to get up a bit higher than where she is.
Okay.
Feel the coldness in the bottle.
Yeah.
That's a good sign. She seems to be holding off there, doesn't she?
It does.
She must be very empty. Completely empty, actually.
Yeah. Nothing more relaxing than watching another man walk.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there we go. We're getting somewhere now.
Now that should be okay. Might give it another couple of squeezes and that'll be it.
Just make sure you keep it out of the alert zone, I'd say.
Oh,
It seems to be unpredictable. It could be leaking through the nozzle as well when it's connected, so you know yourself.
the green says filled anyway, so
Yeah.
probably safe at that. Says filled.
Yeah.
This also has any air leaks, any leaks in the system. It has a sealer built into it that will seal the leak, so it could be doing that.
Oh, I see. Yes. So let me get this right. This actually seals your system as well as fill it up.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Quite impressive. Bit of artistic wrist movements going on again here from our Damo.
Bottle's very cold. Seems to be dropping a little bit, look.
Yeah.
Well, again, it could be.
It mightn't be an accurate reading.
Yeah.
That's why I'd be careful about overfilling. Once it's in the green, I'm happy. Yeah.
We'll leave it there.
Leave it at that, so. Seems to be a drip coming off of there, Damo.
Yeah. Could be too full.
Yeah.
I'll turn off the engine.
Okay.
Oh God. Oh my God. The difference.
I can confirm that it is cooler. Big
Whoa.
difference.
The difference is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Right, so I have to turn off the engine now
Okay.
to remove the hose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we'll take it out there. Just quick release. I'll put the cap back on.
I don't want to forget the cap. I don't know whether it's to protect it from damage or it could be sealing qualities in there as well.
Now it says let it run for another few minutes. So I'll start it back up. Don't feel any leaks. Everything's all right. That's that really.
Sorted.
Needs to be perfect now.
So, what's your verdict?
But that's the easy way to do your own air conditioning. If it's not blowing out any cold air. Get onto the Amazon, buy this stuff, save yourself a few quid. There you are, 5-10 minute job done. Thanks very much for watching.
Now, there you have it from the man himself. What can you say? The results speak for themselves. If you have any questions or queries on this tutorial, please mention them in the comments underneath. And thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next edition of Davy Boys Tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye bye.